Have you ever wondered what an iPhone looks like on the inside? Yeah, me too, but I couldn't figure out how to open it, but I finally figured out how to open it. So let's see what it looks like inside. This is an old iPhone 3 I had. Kind of cracked it open. Yeah. Cool. Alright, there's the screen. See what else we got in here. Oh, look.
Oh, that doesn't look dangerous.
What the heck is that thing?
Looks like the battery.
You think that's a battery?
Possibly.
Well, there's the SIM card.
Jackson.
Could that be the battery, you think?
It could be the battery.
Oh, yeah. Lithium ion.
Yeah.
But it feels like a bag of crap or something.
Jackson, stop.
Alright, well, anyway, that's what the inside of a iPhone looks like.